So now we're going to spend a little time talking about integers and how they relate to opposites and absolute value. Let's first talk about opposites. If you notice here, the numbers -4 and 4 are shown on the number line. What do you notice about the two numbers? Well, one thing you can notice is that they are equal distance from 0. Even though this is a -4, if we count the spaces 1, 2, 3, 4, it will put us back to 0. This will help us as we look at opposites and absolute value. There are two ways to read -9. We can read it as -9, or we can read it as the opposite of 9. So saying negative and the opposite of are interchangeable. Remember, opposites are the same distance from 0, just on different sides of the number line. What is the opposite of -5? Each mark on the number line represents 1 unit. Plot a point on the number line that represents the opposite of -5 units. You'll have an opportunity to do this in the next slide.